इधर भी ब्रो सुन, तू अपने बैग में 15-20 व्हाइट पिजन्स को लेके जा, उसको
वो
भी
भी
निकाल देना, एंड देन दे फ्लाई। ओह माय गॉड,
Did you check that? वो सिर्फ 15-20 नहीं थे, exactly 49 pigeons थे चिन्नस्वामी के ऊपर. People have screenshot it and counted it. It's a giant cosmic joke right now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sanika tried giving us the countdown before, but I ain't going to stop. What's up, guys? Welcome to yet another fun-filled episode of Freak Bros. I'm Chinmay Sharma, and that's Kunal. What's up, brother? What's
Brother,
happening?
stressed out at this point. एक win चाहिए to get that Q mark. Can we do it against Delhi Capitals? बहुत stressful है अभी.
It's proper cinema, bro, because
I
two
know.
teams, two
Yeah.
teams, both playing each other. Oh, it's a big one, bro. We're going to get to that because I want to talk about that in length. But
हाँ.
यार, I want to ask you कि ये जो नया for a while cricket for a while अभी थोड़ा gentleman's game बन गया था, but
हाँ.
जो दिग्विजय और अभिषेक शर्मा का हुआ, bro. What is your take on that? First of all, आप सब जगह उंगली करो, लेकिन जिस बंदे को युवराज सिंह कोचिंग दे रहा है,
Exactly.
उसके साथ उंगली काय को?
युवराज को सिर्फ नाम के लिए ब्रो योगराज सिंह भी ट्रेन कर रहा है. Don't mess around with the main guy over there.
ब्रो,
Yeah.
टेल मी बिकॉज जब, और मुझे ये एक है वहम, और आई थिंक इंडियंस जनरली एज अ फैन बेस को ये
Yeah.
होता है. इट माइट बी अ लिटिल ऑकवर्ड टू से, बट ब्रो, when a good looking, like a conventionally good looking guy like Virat Kohli does it, it's like, oh, what a cool guy, man. Like bro, अगर ये दिग्विजय कॉन्स्टेंस को ऐसा धक्का दिया होता बीजीटी में, people would be hating him, because again, a lot of people might think that Digvijay is, and I'm sure he's a good looking guy, but he's not conventionally good looking.
Yeah.
Do you think good looking cricketers get away with more than the slightly less conventionally good looking cricketers?
मैंने इस point of view से सोचा नहीं था. I just feel assholes get treated the way they deserve to be. और if I'm not wrong, he's been banned for one match. 50% match fees चले गए. आज सुबह अपडेट आया था. And he
Okay.
cannot play the next match against Gujarat Titans as well. But I feel I get your point what you're saying कि अगर ये कोई ऐसा I don't know like a proper Bollywood का हीरो जैसा बंदा करता तो शायद से गाली कम पड़ती थी. But यार it's unnecessary यार. हर मैच में and you've been fined before, you've been fined multiple times. फिर भी क्यों करते बैठना है?
भाई घाटे में उसका आईपीएल, जितने में उसको खरीदा था उससे ज्यादा तो उसके फाइन्स हो गए हैं ब्रो. लुक ऑनेस्टली, आई तो थिंक ब्रो, कुछ टाइप के प्लेयर्स होते हैं जो इसमें दे फाइंड द रिदम बाय डिस्टरप्टिंग अदर पीपल्स रिदम, राइट? लाइक दे लुक फॉर दीज मिनी बैटल्स. इज इट हेल्दी और नो? आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट द राइट, मतलब हर चीज पे ये और वो. बट आई थिंक उनके साइकी के लिए एथलीट्स, दे डोंट केयर व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग, दैट drives them forward, so maybe that works for him.
So even there was a video of pre-season pre-match camp जो रहता है ना ट्रेनिंग वगैरह वहां पर ऋषभ पंत आई थिंक देयर सम ऑस्ट्रेलियंस एज वेल फ्रॉम द ऑपोजिट टीम जो बात कर रहे थे कि व्हाई डू यू साइन करके तो इज लाइक आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड काफी प्राउड था बोलते टाइम. सो देन वी रेडी टू टेक दैट बैक एज वेल जो मिलेगा विद
100%,
रेप्लिकेशंस ऑफ
100%. Yeah, agreed. But bro, look, at the end of the day, ये सब कर रहे हो ना, make sure your team wins at the end. Because तब ना bro, इतना दर्द होता है जब इतना sledging करते हो और जब you end up losing, because then the trolls come, and that's up.
Brother, did you see the biggest troll, our very own Jake G Kings on the in the stands yesterday? TV पे multiple times आया था वो बंदा and he's just
Jake is smashing it, bro.
Yes,
वो पहली
SRH fans फिलहाल, like to be very honest, SRH कैमरा आता ही आ ही जाते हैं उसके ऊपर directly.
Yeah. Well, also, bro, he's 20, early 20s right now. पिछले साल आया था, मैं मिला था उससे. He was around here, bro. इस साल वो घर आया. He came home last week, bro. He's 6'1.5". He's bro. He's I was looking at him like this.
You know, really told जब Chiru has to look at him like this.
Yeah, bro. But Shaw's life is a cough syrup right now, man. I really feel, bro. I know we've discussed this before, so I don't want to talk about too much. But West Indies के खिलाफ first match में century, and then where is he gone, bro? Then just tamdi.
Simple stuff it there. Bro, but it hurts यार इसको, like जितना I've heard the stories as well from the back end side as well. बहुत लोगों ने effort डाले, attempt किए थे to get him in the right track. But he just, मतलब end of the day, it's like कि खुद choose करना पड़ेगा. There might be an environment conducive कि you know भाई तू आजा अभी comeback हो जाएगा. बट
Yeah.
अगर अंदर से ही नहीं आ रहा है या फिर सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा है उन लोगों को, एंड नॉट जस्ट किसी इसने बोले वेरी बिग नेम्स वो नेम एज वेल हु हैव एक्चुअली कॉल्ड देम फॉर लंच, बात करा है भाई,
Hmm.
फिर भी इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग, इट्स नॉट अ गुड साइड यार। फिर तो किसी और को दे देंगे ना, रादर विल गिव इट टू समवन हु इज फेलिंग बट एटलीस्ट उसका एफर्ट तो है खेलने का।
I completely agree with you, bro. And let's quickly move on to
The main
of course.
topic.
No, not yet, not yet. One more topic before that. But
हाँ.
it's about the jersey of wearing only, bro. Our captain had a stand named after him.
Oh,
Everyone saw it was great and big ups, well deserved. But bro, एक video निकला. I don't know, and I think Sanika, please try putting this up if it's not copyright issues. That when he was leaving 1K day after that,
हाँ.
he is yelling or he's very अपने शाना vibe में he's talking to I think it's his brother
या
क्योंकि
कार को स्क्रैच किया था।
like कौन किया ये तूने किया वो उसका BMW था I think it was a
हाँ.
BMW and there's a scratch on the back right side of the car. He looks at it, he pointed at his brother, he's like ये तूने किया and then that look he gives him, bro, that look he gives him.
टिपिकल ऐसा भाई वाला सीन हो गया था तभी, बट आई थिंक इट वेंट
Proper.
लॉट ऑफ वायरल एज वेल ब्रो। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू शुड वॉच दिस इंस्टाग्रामर अनिकेत मारू करके।
Okay.
ही इज अ रोहित शर्मा, नॉट अ लुक अलाइक बट ही लाइक प्रॉपर रोहित शर्मा जैसा ही दिखता है वो, एंड द वे ही
Okay.
लुक्स एंड द कैरी हिमसेल्फ, इट्स टू गुड। लाइक ही इज क्रॉस, ही वाज एट 10K लास्ट ईयर जब आईपीएल में मिला था, 10K भी उससे भी कम। राइट नाउ इज ओवर 100K और समथिंग, क्रेजी वायरल जा रहा है वो, यू शुड चेक इट आउट।
Wow. Okay,
इतना
guys.
कि कभी-कभी
Shout
नेट
out.
वीडियोस है, इट लुक्स एज इफ कि वो रोहित ही कुछ कर रहे हैं। So lots of videos
Wow.
people think Rohit said something, but it's him who has said it. इतना
क्या
भी
बात है. Okay, and bro, now finally we come to the big game tomorrow.
Yup.
Uh, please, bro, हरा के मत आना. As all the full Paltan says, कुना जैसे तू ही जाके बैटिंग बॉलिंग करता है.
Bro, I like
I
how no one's giving a fuck about Rajasthan और चेन्नई के मैच का आज का। उनका प्री मैच डिस्कशन भी कल के मैच का होने वाला है। It's that
100%.
irrelevant right now.
Are you bro? Tell me one thing. कल
Uh,
जब जब तू जाएगा कल होम गेम है.
one करे यार।
Are you by any chance will the MI franchise allow you to wear a test match Rohit Sharma jersey?
Oh, bro, मेरे पास एक I haven't asked actually, but मेरे पास एक middle ground है। मैं MI का सफेद merchandise पहनूंगा। Now you decide if it's an MI kit or a test
Okay,
match. So yeah,
okay,
I'm
okay.
thinking.
Fair enough, fair enough, fair enough.
But do you think Mumbai? See, I understand Kohli का हुआ because वो test का like that's his main favorite format. रोहित का
Yeah,
test he does well, but उसका main
yeah,
format नहीं है वो.
yeah,
T20, ODIs for that matter.
yeah.
Test he does well. So do you really think Wankhede would also do like a पूरा white jersey पहनकर वगैरह?
Bro, I don't think I think now it's become a PR versus PR, and he's a huge part of Indian cricket. I think he's just because he's such a huge part of Indian cricket. Bro, उनका सब साथ साथ हुआ है. You see everything when
Okay.
whether it's leaving T20 cricket, whether it's leaving Test cricket, whether it's this homage being paid at Chinnaswamy and now at Wankhede. So I think this is not if Rohit Sharma doesn't seem like someone who likes to be in the limelight and do this and do that. वो तो ads में नाचने से रोकता है bro. So I don't think. And then 2 minutes later he's तो आई थिंक ब्रो जैसे यार उसका इतना अच्छा वाइब है लाइफ में अभी उसका कल परसों ड्रीम 11 का वो ब्लू लैम्बोर्गिनी ही गिफ्टेड तो ही गिफ्टेड द गाय हु वन इट ही इज आस्किंग ब्रो इतना मस्त उससे पूछा कि तेरा कैप्टन कौन था ड्रीम 11 में उसे वो बोला सुनील नारायण तो ही उसको ही गाड़ी चलाने दे फिर
But bro, are you aware कि rains are predicted and quite heavy rains rather are expected during the match? So अच्छा, but
वो भी देख सेम विराट कोहली का इधर भी ब्रो सुन तू अपने बैग में 15-20 व्हाइट पिजन्स को लेके जा उसको भी निकाल देना एंड देन दे फ्लाई से ओह माय गॉड
Did you check that? वो सिर्फ 15-20 नहीं थे, exactly 49 pigeons थे चिन्नास्वामी के ऊपर. People have screenshotted and counted it. It's a giant cosmic joke right now. Literally 49 कबूतर उड़े थे ऊपर.
Wow. That is
One thing, yaar, matlab, honestly, maybe the broadcasters didn't show it, so I won't blame Kohli entirely. But I felt Kohli could have just come out, just waved or something. इतना fans ने किया है. मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लगा उस मामले पे. मतलब I get it. Kohli doesn't want to like show off and all, but यार, it should be a two-way thing between a fan and a player.
Agreed. That's actually a great point, bro. I think he could have definitely just come out and just given a wave. And bro, I think unlike Wankhede, where you have a balcony, covered balcony, where the player can come out there and do the wave. I don't know if Chinnaswamy has that sort of arrangement, but
भाई
umbrella लेके आ जाओ यार.
क्या बात कर रहे हो, वही तो.
हाँ मतलब 2 दिन पहले टिम डेविड नंगा नहा रहा है तुम लोग के स्टेडियम में. So 1 मिनट के लिए you can come show 1, 2, 3 abs and bounce.
But ठीक है, I think so. I just hope कि if that happens at Wankhede, अगर बारिश भी है, which I'm hoping it's not, रोहित would at least come out and but again fans भी पहन के आना चाहिए. नहीं तो रोहित हाई करने आ रहे, सब ब्लू पहन के आ रहे हैं. So even that shouldn't happen.
Yeah, but listen, a quick prediction before we sign out, bro. Tomorrow, is it a one-sided game? Is it a close game? If the game happens,
Yeah, it's a one-sided game. Emma is going to eat Delhi. भाई उनका Delhi Daredevils वाला फॉर्म हो चुका है वापस. I'm not even worried to be honest. भाई अपना लास्ट मैच was against गुजरात टाइटंस, 150 मारा था, as if 250 डिफेंड कर रहे हैं. ऐसे खेल रहे थे हम. तो वे भी प्ले को बारिश ने फक अप नहीं करता तो we would
yeah.
So I'm not really worried. Delhi का let's be honest वो प्रेशर वाला सिचुएशन सेकंड हाफ का ट्रैजेक्टरी रहता है वो आ चुका है. Are you worried?
Not at all. Not at all.
Exactly.
Not at all. Not even a little bit. And probably, bro, see if you can find Jake tomorrow. I think you guys were planning last time, but you guys didn't. He's going to be at the game tomorrow.
Yeah.
And jate, bro, just give me your prediction. I mean, not prediction. It's already been said by our CM.
What?
Our chief minister has announced that hopefully by 2030 we will have a stadium in Mumbai which will be 100,000 seater.
Yeah.
I mean, bro, hopefully more cricket comes to Bombay क्योंकि मुझे लगता है पिछले 8-9 सालों में बहुत कम हो गया बॉम्बे में cricket. And they've started focusing more on the smaller towns. So I mean 100K is a big number for a stadium. 100K for us right now. We've just started off. Would be great eventually. Subscribers, guys, please like, follow, share, please.